She tried to take me no in this cat, nigga can't even see me on wind. She tried to flight, nigga win this cat. She tried to flight me no way out of here.
What's up guys, it's your girl K and I'm back with another video. If you're new to my channel, subscribe, and if you've been here for the past few videos, welcome back guys. In today's video, it's just gonna basically be like a FaceTime vlog. Today is Saturday, March 23rd. It actually feels like a Sunday because it's freaking pouring outside and it's cold in my house. So that's why I have my robe, because I'm freezing. Outside looks a hot mess. I damn near look a hot mess. So we're staying inside today guys. It's 3:17. I woke up like around 11 o'clock. I was in and out of sleep all day because when I know I'm really tired, I just know I'm about to get my and this morning we woke up without, fortunately. So I just been in and out of sleep all morning, and I just know today I do not want to be bothered. Like, I don't want to be bothered today. Like, I put my phone on do not disturb. Nobody contact me, nobody text, call, not y'all. Y'all know I love y'all, but everybody else on my phone, leave me alone. We don't want to be bothered today. I just want to talk to my subbies today and just like vibe, like, you know, just vibe. So this morning, as soon as I realized that I was woke up, got in the shower, and then laid back down, fell asleep. So I didn't eat all day, y'all. So we're actually about to find something to eat now because I'm hungry. Last night I went out with my job. Well, not my job. It was supposed to be my job as a group, but a lot of people flopped. So it was just me, my friend Brene, and the manager of her location. And we went to this rooftop and it was good. I ordered me some food to go. Everywhere I go, I gotta order me some food to go. Especially when you live by yourself, like, and you don't feel like cooking and you don't feel like spending money on food, and rent is due around the corner. Yeah, we're bringing food to go. So I got me some food to go. Yesterday I had me some steak tacos. I might put that in this video. I had me some good steak tacos. I wore this like cute Zara jumpsuit that I bought like a long time ago for a concert. I probably only wore it like about 2 times. That's how I know I'm gaining weight, because the first time I wore it, it fit perfectly fine. Last night it was a hassle, y'all. It was a hassle. Like, that shit was so tight. But I'm gonna show y'all videos. Make some noise, y'all. What the fuck? Y'all probably can't see, it's a little blurry. Yeah, and I feel like, well, I wouldn't really call this a hangover, but that's what took me so long to pick up this damn camera, because I just couldn't get out of bed. Like, I was just stuck. And then I woke up and I was so lazy to get out the bed to drink water, y'all. Like, I know I needed to drink water because all that liquor I had last night, and I just felt so dehydrated, but I was being lazy, y'all. Yeah, so I woke up, got in the shower, brushed my teeth, washed my face this morning, and ended up right back in bed. But right now I'm about to fix me up my plate from last night. I didn't even touch it yet. Like, I came in and just put that shit right in the fridge and laid the fuck down because I was tired. I actually just uploaded my life update video. I was gonna wait until, okay, it's getting a little clearer. If y'all don't know, YouTube makes your video really blurry when it first uploads, and then I guess it takes like a little while for the video to become clear again. So right now, before sharing it to my Instagram, I'm just waiting for it to become clear, because if you haven't checked out that video, make sure you go check it out. I'm pretty sure y'all probably will see it in the recommended videos down below. Yeah, and I was just up on YouTube this morning just watching a few videos to like basically enhance my channel, and just so I could gain more knowledge on the YouTube world and how to edit my videos, how to edit my thumbnails. And I found a lot of great tips, hacks, and tricks. So I really feel like I just want to revamp my whole page. Like, it's definitely about to give better quality. It's about to give better videos, better content. It's going to bring better audience. So, yeah. I'm talking my head off. I need to eat. So, this is the food. It smells so good. It came with a salad. I don't even know what type of salad this is. It smells good, though. Then this is the food right here. Oh, my God. It's spilled in the bag, y'all. This is the food. Alright, I'm about to clean this up a little bit because, yeah, it leaked out in the bag. I think I'm gonna put it in the oven because I want to add a little bit more seasoning to the lobster. So I got lobster, I got shrimp, I got steak, and I got potatoes. If you're hungry watching this video, I'm sorry, but I'm about to tear this shit. Let me turn on the oven. Wait for that to finish preheating. In the meantime, I'm gonna season this lobster because my friend said that the lobster tasted real like unseasoned, and I don't play that. I'm gonna add some garlic seasoning, something, very much something. None of this, but this is the food right here. It's not focusing, but that's the lobster, that's the shrimp. Underneath the shrimp is steak and then potatoes. If you're currently watching this video, what y'all doing? Like, how's life for you? How is life treating you? How is God treating you? Have you been praying? Have you been being a good person? Are you in your bag? Like, let me know. So I'm about to post it on my Instagram. I really hate promoting my YouTube channel on my Instagram because I don't really want to attract my Instagram as my YouTube viewers. Like, let me rephrase that. I want my YouTube viewers to specifically be YouTube watchers. Like, the people that watch me on YouTube, I want my YouTube subscribers to be genuine. I want my YouTube subscribers to be people that actually enjoy watching YouTube. So when I promote it on Instagram, I feel like nobody really enjoys watching YouTube. They're just watching it because of me. I don't know like what's going on in my life. So that's why I really hate promoting on Instagram. But Instagram is really one of the main social medias that I use. Even though I really don't want to, but with the YouTube channel, you have to have some type of other social media to promote. On TikTok, I feel like my TikTok and my YouTube is just like two different things. Like, I'll promote on my TikTok sometimes, but my TikTok viewers really like to see just me being creative. Like, I don't know. If you know what I mean, you know what I mean. I'm pretty sure y'all know what I mean. Let's post it to my YouTube. That's on my YouTube, my Instagram. If I could find this video. I delete shit on my phone every other day, y'all, and that shit is annoying because I know I would really need a specific video. See, I know I deleted it. Why would I'm always deleting shit on my phone. Why would I delete my video that I was gonna use to promote my YouTube, knowing that I need it? And the other day, oh my god, I hope I didn't clear. Okay, here we go. Yo, I really be thinking of funny shit in my head. I be thinking about funny shit in my head, and yo, I just be laughing. That is so funny to me. All right, I'm gonna stop. I had my oven on for about 15-20 minutes, y'all. Why I just looked, my oven wasn't even really on. I'm so mad because I'm hungry a lot lately. Actually, I've always been on Twitter, but I've been using it more lately because I feel like it's genuine. Like, I feel like when you're connecting with people that you really know, you get more genuine love than when you're actually connecting with people that actually know you, because people would think they know you and they really don't know shit. And it's like, you can never really know me from what I post on social media, because my whole life is not on social media. I probably post like little clips of my life, but my whole life is not on social media. And I feel like nobody's whole life should be on social media. So nobody should be judging anybody or try to dictate or like create a life. Like, no, it's never gonna be that. And have y'all been standing on business lately? Like, to my girls, honestly, shit, probably boys too. Have y'all been standing on business lately? And when I mean standing on business, I don't mean like, you know, I mean standing on business. Like, whether that comes to relationships, your workplace, your friends, your family, anything. Have y'all been standing on business? Have y'all been respecting people? Because standing on business go both ways. Have y'all been setting boundaries? My definition of standing on business is definitely setting boundaries, not tolerating any disrespect whatsoever, being respectful to other people, and just not allowing people to just basically don't see yourself how would I explain it? Basically, the way people feel about me has nothing to do with me. So that's standing on business. Believing that the way people feel about you has nothing to do with you. If you know you're a good person, you're just a great, genuine, good person, and the way somebody treats you, tell that person, F you, the way you feel about me, however you got me in your head, F it. It's not true. You don't even gotta say it's not true, because if you know it's not true, you don't even gotta say it. But yeah, and the way you feel about me have shit to do with me. I really had to learn that. And I feel like once I've learned that, I became so much happier. Like, somebody could be like, oh, she's this, oh, she's that, oh, she thinks she this, oh, she thinks she that. Fuck you. I don't give a fuck. That's not how I feel about myself. And I'm sorry that you feel that way, but the way you feel is incorrect. And likewise, they could tell me I'm incorrect. If I feel some type of way about them and they be like, no, that's not me, shit, it probably ain't you. But that's just how I feel. But no, don't let that go over your head, y'all. Take that into consideration. The way people feel about you have nothing to do with you. And you have to do something really like bad to me. I don't think anybody has ever done, not ever, but I don't think anyone has done something bad to me to make me not like them. I probably not like your ways. You probably have bullshit, whack ass ways. But I wouldn't sit there and say I don't like somebody. My seasonings I'm about to use right here to put on this food.
It's garlic. So right here is done. Some obey. Damn, I don't even want to put too much because I be damn this shit salty. And I don't got time for it anyway. I'll put some over the thing. But I'm also gonna add
to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suite on deposit, elevator up to the room, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area code.
Food is done, guys. This looks so good. Oh my god. I actually need some vitamins as well. Got some ranch dressing for my salad. It tastes buttery. It tastes sweet. It tastes sweet and buttery. Let's try the salad first. Oh, this is good. This is so good. I'm glad I have ranch. Oh, this cucumber just looks so good. Oh, this looks so good. Now that's what I'm talking about. All right, let's try a steak. Let's try a steak. Here's the steak. I don't know, like I used to love steak. I used to love going to steakhouses and stuff, but I don't really like steak anymore. Even though I need to eat steak, like I need red meat in my body, which is why my damn iron's so low. But I don't really prefer steak. Like I don't know what it is. Steak just don't hit no more like they used to. All right, y'all, so right now I'm actually about to lay down, edit this video. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna fall asleep because I'm full. Yeah, today's gonna be a lazy day. If you made it this far in this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I was just ranting, venting, but yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.
Okay, bye. God.